24 hours is a lot of time. Yes, you heard that right. 24 hours is enough time for you to go and pick up your kids from school, have a side hustle, take care of your hobbies, your health, and so much more. My name is Akshita Jaiswal. I run 2 companies, 3 Seconds and Control N, and still find time to pursue my hobbies and take care of my health. Work from home situation, there are so many of us who feel like they need to constantly keep working or are getting overworked due to the elongated business hours. If you feel burnt out or are getting overwhelmed or are not able to prioritize and set that wheel rolling in the right direction, this course is for you. Throughout this course, we're going to understand where your priorities lie. Where is it that you need to deep dive and focus? How is it that you can go ahead and complete all your deadlines on time and still have a lot of time on your hands? There are quite a number of tips that I do give out during this entire course, which can help you reduce procrastination levels and be more and more productive every day. You can be rest assured that this is not going to be a course which is filled with tons and tons of theory, but is actually going to have relevant practical examples and practical techniques. So if you're ready to stop feeling burnt out and stop feeling overwhelmed by the amount of work that you have and prioritize things in the right way, I'll see you on the inside.